Hello everyone, I'm here again to continue, my tutorial concerning SAT. The last video I told you that I will start up with the math section this week, and before that, let me just do a quick revision on what I talked about last video. Just like as it is written on the screen, my name is Tiwa Tomiwa, and my phone number is 07037865000, and my email is ayetomiwa@gmail.com. The introduction part, I talked about the SAT. I talked about the SAT. I talked about the how SAT is a thinking exam. It's not a cramming exam. And I told you those people that are involved, those people that are in charge of the test, which is the college board. And I went through. I told you about different sections, the time, and the number of questions you meet at each section of the SAT, which is the reading part, the writing and language essay, and the math. I talked about the basic thing that will be tested in the math section, the reading section, and the writing section. Now, today I'll be teaching some basic examples, because I'll start off with mathematics, so I want to teach you I want to solve some examples with you. Now, linear equation, inequalities, and functions. Example 1. In 2014, country X had 783 miles of paved road. That's supposed to be a paved road. Sorry. Starting in 2015, the country has been building 8 miles of new paved road each year at this rate. How many miles of paved road will country X have in 2030? Assume that no paved road goes out of service. Solution is that you have to use this equation. There is this equation of line, which is y equals to mx plus b. That is, m is the rate, b is the initial value you are starting with, x is the number of years. Therefore, y equals to 8x plus 783. This 8 is the rate at which the road is increasing. So that's why it's staying here. Based on the definition of m is the rate. Then 783 we started with 783. According to this equation, in 2014, country X had 783 miles of paved road. Now, this is supposed to be a paved road, not just paved. So that's why we are using this equation. So X equals to what? X is the number of years between 2014 and 2030 rather. So when we find out the difference, we have 16. When we put that into this equation, we will get 911. So country X has 911 paved road in 2030. So by 2030, country X will have 911 road. So based on this equation, and they will ask you something like this in SAT. You can't miss it. This type of question, you cannot escape. They must set this for you. And although it may not be in this form, it could be in another form. But the knowledge, this knowledge will be tested. The knowledge of y equals to mx plus b and how you can use it. So let me just go to the next example and show you another form at which this knowledge can be tested. Now, the same question, more like the same question now. In 2014, country X had 783 miles of paved road. Starting in 2015, the country has been building 8 miles of new paved road each year. At this rate, if n is the number of years after 2014, which of the following function f? I want to write give a. Gives. Please. Just pardon me there. Let me quickly change it. Let me quickly change that. Sorry for wasting your time, but I just need to be more accurate. Yeah, give. Yeah, question F gives, and the other one that talks about paved road. Yeah, road. Okay. Now let's go on from there. Sorry for this. Now that gives the number of miles of paved road there will be in a country X. Assume that no paved road goes out of service. Understand the question. What are you asking? They're just asking the same thing, the knowledge, just the question to acquire there. So solution is this okay, let me read the solution to you. This question already defined the variables and asks you to create a function that describes the context. So the correct answer is C. Just like the form of formula I wrote for you, the last question, like this. How they ask. And this is you must be able to interpret the question in the linear equation form. Now let's go to the next one. In 2014, the same kind of question in another way. In 2014, country X had 783 miles of paved roads. Starting in 2015, the country had been building 8 miles of new paved road each year. At this rate, in which year will country X first have at least 1,000 miles of paved road? Assume that no paved road goes out of service. Now solution. See using this formula. Now we have to represent each. They said country X have at least 1,000. That means this one must be greater than 1,000 at least. That's the equation. So see using that equation 8x plus 733. Now when you work that out, you get the value of x. When you solve it well, this one goes to the other side. This one goes to the other side like this. So you get this, and you finally have your x. When you solve it well, you have your x must be greater than 27.125. So because they said it must be at least, so you can't write 27 because if you say 27, it will be lesser than 1,000. So you have to put something that is higher, which is 28. So x is 28. Add 28 to this, you have your you have that's 28, have you? So that means the number of years is 28. So when you add 28 years to 2014, you have 2042. That is when they can have at least 1,000 miles of paved road. I hope you understand. Just a simple thing. Just trying to show you some basic things that you need here using the same question. Yeah, let me just go something like this too. So to edit the manuscript, Miguel charges $50 for the first 2 hours and $20 per hour after the first 2 hours. Which of the following addresses the amount in dollars? C is the cost. Miguel charges if it takes him X hours to edit the manuscript, where X is greater than 2. Now, the first hour, so they're telling you that the first 2 hours, it charges this. That means 50 for the first 2 hours. And after that, charges $20. So that means, let's use X to represent the whole hour. You understand? The whole hour, it charges. For the first 2 hours, because it charges 50, so you have to deduct it from this. X is total hour he used, both for 20 and 25. Let's remove that one for 20 and 50 rather. So you use 2 hours for $50. Let's remove that from the total hours. That will give you X minus 2. That will remove for $20 that is using to charge for $20. So let's now put in the equation. So therefore, C equals to 50, which is the first part, which is for 2 hours, plus 20 in the bracket X minus 2, which is for the remaining 20. So that will give you 50 plus 20x minus 40, which gives you this 20x plus 10. And the answer will be this. So you have to be very careful. A lot of people will pick some wrong answers. Really see because of poor interpretation. But this is the answer. Okay. Yeah. So that's on that. But let me just read this last question. This example is about absolute value. Now let me just read the question to you. The stratosphere is a large layer of the Earth's atmosphere that is more than 10 km and less than 50 km above the Earth's surface. Which of the following inequalities describe all the possible heights x in kilometer above the Earth's surface that are in the stratosphere? Now look at it. The Earth's surface in the stratosphere is given by the inequality this. So that means any value in this is valid. But to be more accurate, let's just look for the mid number, which is find the midpoint, which is 10 plus 50 equals to 30. So any interval from between this, no, 30 is a division now. So any value between 10 and 30 is there, and between 30 and 50 is there. So the interval is now 20. So between 10 to 30 is 20, then between 50 to this is 30, 22. So the distance between x and 30 now is what? X minus 30. Therefore, the correct answer is x minus 30. X minus 30. Like the total stuff. So, and 20 is more than what? Because 20 is the interval. There's a dollar that is calculated there. So 20 is more than x minus 30. So the difference between the total this thing and 30. 20 is more than, because 20 is the half, the interval. So the option there will be what? Think of D. So my next video I will start with the system of linear equation and inequalities in context. For now, I don't want to talk about it. So that's my next video. So if you have any question, you can contact me through this 0703 7865000. That's my WhatsApp number, and that's also my phone number. And through my email to aizigbotomowa@gmail.com. And this is my name, aizigbotomowa alias Wisdom. So you can call me Wisdom. This is my phone number. You can call me Wisdom. Don't call me Wisdom. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to see your comments. Write your comment. Any question, anything regarding CT, ask me. Registration, anything, just tell me. I will answer your question. So the goal of this video is just to help students who doesn't really know how to prepare for SAT or are having some difficulties. So that's also I'm doing this video to help them so that they can boost their score. So thank you very much for your time, and bye.